Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is another collaboration with Duvolle. So Duvolle, I love that name. A few months ago I did a collaboration with Duvolle and it was about a spinning brush for my face. So I'm going to put the video up here for you to see. So today is another collaboration with Duvolle and it's about coiling wand. I used it to coil this hair. So yeah, so here is the coiling wand right here. Yeah, so that's the back. I love the size of this. It is a perfect size, and this coils is giving me like rich mama's vibe. Yeah, that's the word. It's big and lumptious. It comes in this color, black and yellow, yellow, black and pink. It operates on 100 to 240 volts and there's no regulation. It's just on and off button. Yeah, so that's what it is. Simple to use. The wires are quite long, so it can go very far, and it has this rotating handle, so it's easy for you to move it. This coiling one is priced $95 with my coupon code. However, you're going to get 70% off, so that's about $28.50. You do the math. I'm going to insert the link to this coiling wand in my description box, so be sure to check it out. I coil the hair on a mannequin canvas. Like if you have a mannequin stand, you just put the wig there, you coil it. It's easier because the coil is on my head. I'm like yeah, anyway, going off topic. I didn't use any comb, I just used my hands to fluff it up. So if you want to see how I achieve this coils, keep on watching. Don't go anywhere. I'm watching you. Don't go. Easier for me to use the coiling wands on my head, like when I put my wigs. Oh no, sorry, I take that back. You see, oh my goodness. Yeah, so I don't like coiling my hair on my head. I don't like coiling my wigs on my head or I don't like coiling my wigs. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.